Hello everyone, this is Easy Math. In this video, we are going to see Class 8 Mathematics Chapter 2 Measurements, in which we are going to continue with exercise 2.2. It is about finding the area of combined shapes, in which we have done 1 and 2 in the previous audio. Now we'll continue from question number 3. We'll continue from question number 2. Only first question we have done in the previous audio. We'll continue from question number 2. Let us read the question. Find the area of the shaded part in the following figures. Now look at it. You have a square and all the 4 quadrants are there, and we have to find the area of the inside. See, let us recall the concept once again. When you have combined shapes, when one figure or one shape is inside another shape, it is subtraction. See here, the quadrants are inside the square. So from the area of the quadrant, from the area of the square, we have to subtract the area of the quadrants. Okay, because it is one inside the other. Quadrants are inside the square. So outer area minus inner area. Here also you see it is a semicircle is the outer shape and triangle is the inner shape. The triangle is inside the semicircle. So the shaded region is area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. Whereas you look at this figure, this one, this pink color shaded portion, the figures are combined from outside. The semicircle is on top of it. Is not inside the triangle. It is on top of the triangle. So here we have to add the figures. Area of the semicircle plus area of the triangle. So these are the two concepts you should remember while finding the area of the combined shapes. One is inside the other, subtract. They are joined from outside. We have to add. Okay. Now let us take the first one. What is it? We are given a square and 4 quadrants. What is the first one? The outside is a square. And what is the side of square given? 10 centimeter. And second figure is quadrants. All 4 corners are 4 quadrants. And what is the radius of the quadrant? It is, see, this full is the side of the circle, side of the square. Now this is the radius of the quadrant. So this full is 10 and this is 5 and this is 5. So the radius of the quadrant R is 5 centimeter. Okay, now shaded region is area of the square minus area of 4 quadrants. When 4 quadrants join together, it forms a circle, isn't it? This is a circle. When a circle is divided into 4 parts, each part is called a quadrant. Okay, it's 4 equal parts, children. Each part is called a quadrant. So in full circle, we have 4 quadrants here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When 4 quadrants put together, it gives a full circle. So area of 4 quadrants is nothing but one full circle. It's so simple. It has become so simple now. Because you need not find quadrant plus quadrant plus quadrant plus quadrant. All 4 quadrants together is the area of the circle. So area of the square is side into side. How much is the side? 10 into 10. Minus, because it is quadrants are inside the square, so it is subtraction. And area of the circle is pi r square. And pi value is given in the question as 3.14. So 10 tens are 100 minus pi is 3.14 into r has to be multiplied 2 times. 5 into 5. Now 100 minus, you multiply all these 3 numbers. 314 into 25. After multiplying, count to 2 digits and keep the points. You get 78.50. Now from 100, 100 is a whole number and 78.50 is a decimal number. So in 100, the decimal part is 00. You subtract it, you borrow and subtract. We get the answer as 21.50 centimeter square, because it is the area. Unit of area is square units. 21.50 centimeter square. Okay. And the next second one in the same question, question number 2 is, you are given a semicircle and inside the semicircle we are given the triangle. Now can you tell me how to find the shaded area? Is it addition or subtraction? Yes, it is subtraction, because one is inside the other. Triangle is inside the semicircle. First, let us identify the 2 shapes. The outer figure is a semicircle. And the radius of the semicircle, it is given the question itself. This is the radius of the semicircle. It is R is 7 centimeter. And the inside figure is a right triangle. And what is it given? Because it is mentioned here 90 degrees. So the base is 14. What is this? This is the radius. This is 7 means the the base of the triangle. This is the base of the triangle, the diameter of the semicircle becomes the base for the triangle. And the base is how much? If this is 7, this is also 7, this is also 7. So the base is 14 centimeter and height of the triangle is 7 centimeter. We can take it as this is the 90 degrees. It is just a triangle. We have a triangle. It is need not be a right triangle. It can be just a triangle. It's a triangle. Second shape is a triangle. And this is the base. The diameter of the semicircle is the base. And here the radius of the semicircle is the height. So 7 plus 7, 14 is the base. B for base. And H for height is 7 centimeter. It's a triangle. So from the area of the semicircle, we have to take away, means subtract the area of the triangle. Okay, now shaded area is area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. It's only a triangle, it's not right triangle. See, triangle is here. Okay, now area of the semicircle is pi r square by 2 because half of the circle minus area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. B for base, H for height. Okay, now pi value is given as 3.14 into r is 7 into 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into base is 7. It can be interchanged. The height is 7 and the base is 14. Okay. Now cancel here. 2 and 3.14. We get 1.57. And here you cancel 2 and 14. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. Now when you multiply 1.5 into 7 into 7. 1.5 into, this is here 1.5 into 7 gives you 76.93 minus 7 sevens are 49. Now from 76.93 you subtract 49. How to subtract? 76.93 is a decimal number and 49 is whole number. So the decimal part is 00. You subtract it, we get the answer as 27.93 centimeter square. Okay. Now same exercise 2.2, we'll move on to question number 3. In question number 3, you are given a figure like this. If you draw a line at the center, we get two parallelograms. Now how are they joined? They are joined from outside. This is one, down bottom is a parallelogram and top is also a parallelogram. So they are joined from outside. So the total area is, this is, if when you draw a line here, it becomes, you join the edges, it becomes parallelogram. This is one parallelogram, this one parallelogram. And are they one inside the other? No, they are joined from outside. So how to find total area? Here you see triangle is inside semicircle. So it is subtraction. Here one parallelogram and top of another parallelogram. It is not one inside the other. They are joined from outside. So we have to add both the areas to find the total area. And both are what? Parallelograms here. You find the area of one parallelogram and multiply by 2, we will get the total area. Because both the parallelograms is of the same size. They have the same base and the same height. Two equal parallelograms. Okay. So let us take it now. It is parallelogram 1. Is what is the base is 8 centimeter and the total height is 6. This full is 6. So from here to here this will be 3. So height is 3 centimeter and parallelogram 2 base is the same. These two are equal. Base is 8 and the height is 3 because this full is 6. So top is 3, bottom is 3. 3 plus 3. So total area is 2 times area of the parallelogram because two parallelograms we have now of the same size. So 2 into area of the parallelogram. 2 into, what is the area of the parallelogram? Yes, it is base into height. 2 into base is 8 into height is 3. Base into height is the area of the parallelogram. So 2 into 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 2 into 24 is 48 square. So SQ, this is SQ square centimeter. Square unit is the unit of area. So we have two parallelograms of the same size. So find the area of one parallelogram and multiply by 2. We get the total area. Got it? Shall we move on to the next one? And look at the next one. Next figure is like this. What are the two figures here, children? We have a triangle and we have a semicircle. It is like a cone ice cream, isn't it? This is the cone and this is the ice cream. Isn't it? Some is so interesting, no? So, how to find the total area? Area of the cone plus area of the semicircle. Okay, now we'll take the first figure is semicircle. This full, what is this full? It is the diameter. So, D is equal to 6 centimeter. This is centimeter. And what is the radius? To find the area, we need the radius. Radius is half of the diameter. That is 6 by 2. When you divide 6 by 2, we get 3 centimeter. And now area of the semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square. That is half of the area of the semicircle. See, this is full circle. It is pi r square and this is the half of the circle. So, it is half of the area of the circle. 1 by 2 into pi r square. 1 by 2 into pi value is given in the question as 3.14 into r. What is the radius? The radius is 3. We have taken 3 into 3. Now cancel 2 and 1.3.14. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Carry 1. In 11, 2 5s are 10. And carry 1. 2 7s are 14. So it becomes 1.57 into 3 into 3. So 157 into 3 3s are 9. You multiply. You get 1413. After 2 digits, you keep the point. It becomes 14.13 square centimeter is the area of the semicircle. We have finished with semicircle. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. So for triangle, what all we need? We need the base and the height. Base is 6 centimeter. Height is 9 centimeter. Okay. So we'll go to area of the triangle. What is area of triangle? 1 by 2 into base into height. B for base, H for height. And what is the base? Base is 6 centimeter. Height is 9 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 6 into 9. You cancel 2 and 6. Both are even numbers. 2 ones are 2. 2 3s are 6. That's all. 3 9s are 27 square centimeter. Now how to find the total area? Addition or subtraction? They are combined from outside. So it is addition. So total area is 14.13 plus 27. So 14.13 is the area of the semicircle and 27 is the area of the triangle. So when you add them both, we get 41.13 square centimeter is the total area. Okay. Now we'll go to question number 5. You are given this is the combined shape. What is given? The doormat, which is hexagonal in shape, has the following measurements as given in the figure. Find its area. It's a doormat. We put at the door. Okay, doormat. It is a hexagonal. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. Hexagon means quadrilateral, 4-sided. Pentagon, 5-sided. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. You see 1, 2. Look at the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 sides. Just like the parallelogram sum we had, when you join them, it is already joined. You get 2 trapeziums. See, this is top one is one trapezium, bottom is also trapezium. And one more thing, children, in combination of shapes, you should be very thorough with the shapes of the plane figures. By looking at the figure, you must identify the proper shape. Whether it is a parallelogram, square or a rectangle or a semicircle, circle or a trapezium. You should identify the shapes and you must write the measurements. Then you should know the formula. If you know all these 3, then it becomes very easy to solve the problem. Okay, so let us identify the shapes. It's a trapezium. We have one set of parallel sides. So 2 trapeziums of the same size, just like this. We had 2 parallelograms of the same size. Here 2 trapeziums of the same size. So you find the area of one trapezium and multiply by 2. We get the total area of the mat. Okay, shall we start? Okay, now it's a trapezium mat is given here. And what to do? And write it. These are the parallel sides are 70 centimeter and 90 centimeter. 70 and 90. And the total height is 70. So this becomes 35 and this becomes 35. Height of both trapeziums are equal size. So we'll take A is 70 centimeter, B is 90 centimeter and height H is 35. Half of the full height. Now what is the area? It is 2 times. This is one trapezium, this is one trapezium. So 2 times area of the trapezium. That is 2 into what is the area of the trapezium? 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. Okay, now 2 into 1 by 2 into what is h is 35 height into a and b are the parallel sides 70 plus 90. Now add within the brackets first. We'll cancel this 2 and 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. And we have 35 into 70 plus 90 is 160. Now multiply 35 into 160. For that we multiply 16 into 35 and with that answer put the 0. We get 5600 square centimeter as the area of the mat. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question. That's also very simple. See. It's a trapezium. It's a shape of a rocket. The entire figure, the total figure is a rocket. You can see it in the book nicely. It is so multicolored. You see orange, green and blue. Orange color is a trapezium. Green is rectangle. And the blue is triangle. How are they joined? From outside or from inside? Yes, they are joined from outside. So how to find the total area? We have to add all the three. Area of the trapezium plus area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. And you are given all the measurements. So we have identified the figures as trapezium, rectangle and triangle. Now write their measurements. A, B and this is the height. And for rectangle, this is the length and this is the breadth. And for triangle, this is the base and this is the height. And total is 120. From 120, you subtract 20 and 20. Take away 20 plus 20, 40. From here to here, total length is 120. From 20, how to find the length of the rectangle? This 20, you remove this 20 and this 20. So 120 minus 40. 20 plus 20 is 40. Remove 40, you will get the length of the rectangle. So we have all the measurements. We have identified the figures. We have the measurements. Now let us find the area. So what is the first figure? We'll take the trapezium. What is A and B are the parallel sides. A 50 centimeter, B 30 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Formula is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. Substitute 1 by 2 into h is 20 into a plus b is 50 plus 30. 1 by 2 into 20 into 50 plus 30 is 80. Now you cancel now. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, 10 into 80 is 800 square centimeter. Now we'll go to second one is a rectangle. So length of the rectangle is 120 minus 20 plus 20. So 120 minus of 20 plus 20. That is 120 minus 40 is 80 centimeter is the length. This from here to here length of the rectangle. And the breadth is 30 centimeters. So we have length 80, breadth 30. So what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. That is length is 80 and the breadth is 30. So 80 into 30. 80 into 30. How to multiply? 8 3s are 24 and put 0, 0, 0. So 2400. And what is the third shape? It is a triangle. What is the third one? Triangle. Base is nothing but the breadth of the rectangle. 30 means this breadth is also 30 and height is 20. So we have base is 30, height is 20. So area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. B for base, H for height. Base is 30, height is 20. You cancel 2 and 20 10 times and 30 into 10 is 300 centimeters square. Now, what is the total area? Area of the trapezium plus area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Add all the three areas, you get 3500 square centimeter as the area of the rocket. Okay. Now we are moving on to a different figure. It is irregular. As it is, if you see the whole thing, it is not a trapezium, it's not a triangle, it's not a quadrilateral. We don't know. It doesn't have a proper shape. We don't have a formula to find the entire figure. So this is called irregular polygon. You see, irregular. It has no definite shape. Okay. So it is divided into definite shapes. See, now when you divide into definite shapes by straight lines, it's a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a trapezium and this is a triangle. So on the whole, it is irregular, but we are dividing into regular shapes. How to find this area now? Area of this triangle plus area of the triangle plus area of the triangle plus area of the trapezium plus area of the triangle. You find all the 5 areas and add it. You get the total area of this irregular polygon. Polygon means figure, closed figure having 3 or more sides. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, all are polygons only. So if closed figure made up of 3 or more sides, they are all called what? Polygons. So here it is irregular. Irregular means it has no definite shape, proper shape which we know, which we have named, like hexagon, pentagon, square, rectangle. It doesn't give us a regular shape, correct shape. So we divide into the shapes which we know. We divide it into regular shapes. Okay. Now we'll take the first one. We'll take the first triangle. We will name it AGE. AGE is a triangle. What's the area of triangle? Base into height. So this is the full is the base. So 6 plus 8 is 14 is the base and height is 8. So it is half into base into height. 1 by 2 into 14 into 8. You cancel. It goes 7 times. 7 8s are 56. And second one we'll take ABF. Triangle ABF. What is the base? Is 6. Height is 3. So half into base into height. Half into 6 into 3. You cancel 2 and 6 3 times. 3 3s are 9 square centimeter. This is square centimeter. Now we'll take the trapezium FBCH. Look at it. FBCH. A. What is it? The parallel sides are this. 3 and 8 are the parallel sides A and B. And the height is 8 plus 10 from here to here. Height is 8 plus 10, 18 is the H and A is 3, B is 8. Okay. So we have taken B is trapezium, A is 8, B is 3, height is 10 plus 8, 18. Area of the trapezium 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. 1 by 2 into H is 18 into A plus B is 8 plus 3. 1 by 2 into 18 into 8 plus 3 is 11. Now you cancel what and what? 2 and 18. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. 9 11s are 99. Okay, we have finished with trapezium. Then we'll move on to this triangle. What is it? Base is 5. Height is 8. And name of the triangle is EGD. Isn't it? Where we have gone? We'll go to CHD. The name of the triangle is CHD. CHD. Triangle CHD, base is 5, height is 8. So we'll take CHD, base is 5, height is 8. Area is 1 by 2 into base into height, 1 by 2 into 5 into 8. Now cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20 square centimeter. Got it? Now we'll move on to the next triangle. This one, EGD. Triangle EGD. EGD. What is the base? From here to here is from G to D is the base. So the base is 10 plus 5, 15 and the height is 8. Okay. So base is 10 plus 5, 15. Height is 8. Area is, you have triangle once again 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is 15. Height is 8. And you cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8. 15 4s are 60 square meters. Okay. Then therefore, so we have got all the 5 areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got it. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 and 5. So add all the 5 areas. 56 plus 9 plus 99 plus 20 plus 60. We get 244 square meters as the total area of the given irregular polygon. Got it, children? So with this, I hope you all got some idea about how to find the areas of the combined shapes. Okay, we'll see the next concept in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, children.